Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need two things before you begin: a verified merchant center with a populated feed and a YouTube channel that meets shopping eligibility. Start by creating a merchant center account, verify your website domain, and upload a product feed with accurate titles, prices, availability, and GTIN. Once done, link Merchant Center to Google Ads, and then connect that linked account to your YouTube channel in Settings so the platform can pull products into shopping features. Now focus on the detailed middle steps. Clean product data and set commerce policies so YouTube will accept listings. Make sure each item has GTIN or brand/model identifiers, high-quality images, and matching price and availability in your feed. Configure tax and shipping in Merchant Center and fix any feed diagnostics flagged under products. Next, open YouTube Studio, go to Monetization or Shopping Settings, and enable Product Visibility, mapping the correct product groups to your videos or channel shelves. Finish by turning shopping on inside YouTube and assigning products to content. Publish your changes, then test playback on desktop and mobile to confirm product cards, shelf displays, and overlays appear correctly. Monitor performance in both YouTube Analytics and Merchant Center reports to ensure clicks and conversions register. If products don't show, check Merchant Center diagnostics for feed errors or policy rejections. Confirm account linking and permissions, and reprocess your feed. Often a rejected attribute or an out-of-date feed timestamp is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.